steering wheel assembly. The SCX Hub is compatible with most mainstream racing wheels on the market, like Sabelt, Momo, OMP, and the ZESTEK Carbon series. If your hub came with a horn cover pre-installed, you need to remove the 6 screws on the back to take it off first. Please use the large wrench from the kit to do this. Align your steering wheel with the holes on the hub. If you have a deep dish wheel or there's a gap, use the spacers from the accessory pack to build it up. Choose the long or short screws, depending on your wheel's thickness, and use the medium wrench to secure the wheel to the hub. Important: when tightening the wheel to the hub, be very careful with the internal wiring. Don't pinch or crush the wires. Tip: after installation, I suggest testing the paddle shifter distance. You can adjust the 4 screws on the paddle assembly to tweak the position for the best feel.